Have you ever paused to wonder if there's a hidden dimension to money, something profound and largely untapped? Imagine for a moment that money, often dismissed as mere paper and metal, is actually pulsating with energy, a force as dynamic and vital as life itself. This concept might challenge your current views, but let's embark on an enlightening journey to uncover the true essence of money and how we can harness its spiritual energy to create unparalleled wealth and prosperity. Long before the advent of modern economics, ancient civilizations recognized money as a crucial life force interwoven with the spiritual and material realms. Unlike today's perception of money as a static object of trade, these cultures saw it as a vibrant, flowing energy essential for the exchange of goods and services. The term currency itself, derived from the Latin word currere, meaning to run or to flow, captures this dynamic essence beautifully. Money, in its truest sense, is constantly in motion, shaping economies, influencing emotions, and transforming lives. The idea that money is a form of energy is as old as the hills upon which ancient merchants traversed. For instance, the Chinese concept of qi, the life force that flows through all things, mirrors the flow of wealth and prosperity in society. Similarly, in many indigenous cultures, wealth was measured not by hoarded riches, but by the circulation of goods within the community, a testament to the belief that money's value lies in its movement and flow, much like water nourishing the earth. This ancient wisdom echoes in the modern concept of currency, a word that itself hints at flow and circulation. Money, in its essence, is a current of energy that moves through our world, shaping lives, dreams, and destinies. By reacquainting ourselves with this perspective, we begin to see money not as a static entity to be accumulated, but as a dynamic force that, like the wind, can be harnessed and directed. Just as rivers flow, nourishing the land and fostering growth, money's energy moves through our lives, carrying the potential to manifest abundance and prosperity. However, this flow is not merely dictated by market forces. It's profoundly influenced by our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Our relationship with money, how we earn it, spend it, and think about it, reflects our innermost values and aspirations. By recognizing money as an energetic force, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of wealth, one that transcends financial statements and bank accounts. Expanding upon the foundational principles of the law of attraction and the power of visualization and affirmations in attracting financial success, it's essential to embrace the concept of money as a dynamic partner in our life's journey. This partnership transcends the mere act of acquiring wealth. It involves recognizing money as a key player in the fulfillment of our deepest aspirations and dreams. Building a positive, thriving relationship with money is akin to nurturing a friendship or partnership. It requires attention, respect, and an understanding of money's inherent value and potential to do good. This relationship begins with dialogue, open, honest conversations with oneself about fears, desires, and aspirations related to wealth. It's about shifting from a mindset of money is the root of all evil to money is a tool for growth and empowerment. Empowerment comes from the realization that we are the architects of our financial reality. By consciously choosing beliefs that support abundance and taking actions that reinforce those beliefs, we actively participate in the co-creation of our financial destiny. This might involve setting up new financial habits, seeking knowledge on wealth creation, or finding mentors who exemplify the financial success we aspire to achieve. The ultimate step in harnessing the energy of money is to synchronize our personal energy with the universe's abundant flow. This synchronization is not passive, it's a vibrant, active engagement with the world. It means being open to opportunities, willing to take risks, and being resilient in the face of challenges. When we are in harmony with the universe, we become conduits for abundance, attracting wealth not just for our own benefit, but also as a means to contribute positively to the world around us. By embracing these principles and integrating them into our daily lives, we unlock the full potential of money's spiritual energy. This journey transforms our relationship with wealth, leading us to a place where money serves not just as currency, but as a catalyst for achieving personal fulfillment and contributing to the greater good. Since we're talking about the power of our words and how money is spiritual energy, so take this chance to send a message to the universe. Write in the comments section. In 2024, I am wealthy beyond money. In the pursuit of financial abundance, the journey begins within the mind, where the seeds of prosperity are first planted. Visualization and affirmations serve as the water and sunlight, nurturing these seeds to grow into the tangible fruits of wealth and success. This process, more art than science, requires a harmonious blend of belief, emotion, and action woven seamlessly into the fabric of our daily lives. As dawn breaks, imagine yourself standing at the precipice of your dreams, the horizon ablaze with the golden glow of financial freedom. In this moment of tranquility, you close your eyes and venture inward to a place where your financial aspirations are not mere wishes but vivid realities. Here, in the sanctuary of your mind, you construct the edifice of your success, brick by brick, thought by thought. Each detail, from the heft of a key to a new home in your palm to the electrifying buzz of a bustling business that bears your name, is painted with the brush strokes of your imagination. The emotions this vision evokes are as real as the air you breathe: joy, pride, and a profound sense of accomplishment. This daily ritual of visualization and communion with your future self aligns the universe's abundant energy with your own, drawing your desires from the ether of possibility into the material world. As the day unfolds, your voice becomes the vessel for this energy, shaping the air with affirmations that resonate with the frequency of abundance. I am a magnet for financial abundance, and prosperity flows towards me effortlessly, you affirm, your words a powerful incantation, setting the gears of the cosmos in motion. Wealth constantly flows into my life, providing me with all the resources I need and desire. With each declaration, you dismantle the old edifices of doubt and scarcity, laying the foundation for a reality where abundance is not just a visitor, but a lifelong companion. The efficacy of these affirmations is not in their repetition alone, but in the conviction behind them, a belief so potent it can transform the intangible into the tangible. They are not spoken into the void, but into the vast network of energy that connects all things, where intention has the power to shape reality. This practice transcends mere positive thinking. It is an act of creation, a daily sculpting of the world you wish to inhabit. As night falls, you retire not to the world of dreams, but to a space of reflection, where the day's affirmations are etched into the pages of a journal. This act of writing is a bridge between thought and manifestation, a tangible record of your journey towards financial abundance. Each word, each sentence, is a footprint on the path to prosperity, a reminder that the journey is as much about who you become as it is about what you acquire. In this structured flow of daily practices, visualization in the quiet of dawn, affirmations whispered into the morning air, and reflections captured under the cloak of night, the spiritual energy of money is harnessed. This energy, once elusive, now flows freely, guided by the deliberate intentions and actions of those who dare to dream. Herein lies the true secret to financial prosperity, a harmonious dance with the universe where every thought, word, and deed is in alignment with the abundant flow of wealth. This is not merely a path to financial success. It is a journey of transformation, where the pursuit of wealth becomes a journey of inner growth and spiritual alignment. The quest to harness the energy of money has transformed from a path shrouded in mystery to a journey illuminated by the golden light of wisdom and action. We have ventured deep into the heart of abundance, armed with practical steps and guided by the unwavering light of our intentions. This voyage has revealed that the true essence of wealth transcends the accumulation of material riches. It resides in the harmony between our deepest values and our daily actions, in the flow of generosity that enriches both giver and receiver, and in the recognition of money as a dynamic force capable of manifesting dreams and transforming realities. The dance with the energy of money is an ongoing one, a journey without end. With each step, we become more attuned to the abundance that surrounds us and more adept at navigating the currents of prosperity. This is not the conclusion of our journey, but the beginning of a new chapter in our relationship with wealth, one marked by growth, transformation, and the endless possibilities that arise when we align with the energy of money. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.